As we begin our journey to the majestic sand dunes, our path twists and turns through the beautiful countryside, passing by farms and occasionally navigating around unexpected roadblocks, including a charming herd of cows who seem to be enjoying a casual stroll as we drove through the winding roads and rural scenery. We got excited for the adventure that awaits us at our destination.
Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be serving some big sand dunes.
We're also going to do some fun activities all through the day.
I hope you like it.
Te Paki sand dunes are found at the top of New Zealand.
These dunes were formed over thousands of years from sand deposits carried by coastal winds and currents.
We're walking to the spot now. It's like a desert up here. There's heaps of sand, obviously. Okay, getting closer. Okay, well, we've got to walk up one now. It's pretty steep. Okay, we're pretty high up, but we still got to go up a bit more.
We found the dune that we're going to go down now. I'm going to go first. There's a little stream at the bottom, but there we go.
Okay, we're going down now. 3, 2, 1. He's coming down. 3, 2, 1. Oh, he's coming. Almost at the top now. That was a pretty good one. We did pretty much crash, but yeah. Okay, now I'm going down now. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna wait for Daniel. I'm gonna go down now. Actually, gonna go on my knees. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Stop myself. That's good because I almost hit the creek. Okay, climbing back up. It's a mission, man. Okay, I'm going down. He's going down.
Okay, let's do this. So last time, then we're going to go a little bit different spot. Oh, fall off. Let's do that again.
A bit sandy. Moving to a new spot. That spot was a bit of a nuisance because of the creek, and we had to keep stopping just before it, and it was a real pain. So it looks like we found something a bit better, a bit more suitable for what we want to do. So yeah, let's go there. Okay, we found our sand dune that we're going to go down. So we still got to walk a little bit more, but then we can go up there. That'll be good. Okay, we found a good sized dune. Don't know if you can see Nathaniel down there. I'm not even halfway up, and it is steep up here. Oh, it's tying work. Okay, we're up here. We're gonna stick his ship on. Okay, I'm going down. In 3, 2, 1. Okay. Home. Okay, we've got the spot. It looks mean. We'll start just where I started last time. That same spot. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna start heading back now. Probably go down another dune on the way back. It's just that been gone for a while. It's shit time, and we also wanted to do some other stuff. We might stop somewhere else for a swim because I am boiling. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay, we found another dune on the way back. So we may as well go down it. Okay, going down again. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm going down this last dune. It's going on my knees actually. 3, 2, 1. Woo!
When you get to the car park at Cape Reinga, you take a short walk down to the lighthouse.
The views all around you are amazing, especially on a sunny day like today. When you look at the water, you can see where the Pacific Ocean and the Tasman Sea meet by the clashing waves and the different coloured waves.
The lighthouse at Cape Reinga isn't just a beacon for ships. It's also a hotspot for seagull gossip. They love to hang out there and discuss the latest fishy rumours.
Quite low.
Te Puta Puta is just a 10-minute drive from the Cape and a great place to stop for a swim.
I'm just come down to check this little river mouth here to see if there's any mullet, while the other boys are going for a little swim. But it looks pretty clear, so hopefully we'll see something. It's been a hot day today, so I've decided to stop and get some ice cream. Yeah, this is the famous Cow store, and they're pretty big. So my flavours are mint chocolate chip and orange chocolate chip, and I rate this ice cream here about an 8.5. Really good flavour, and it's nice and big. I've got the same flavours as him, and I'd rate mine 9. It's really good flavour and big.
I have orange chocolate chip and goody goody gumdrops, and I rate mine 8.5. It's really good flavours. Okay, now we've just stopped somewhere else and got a pie. And I rate it 7 out of 10.
Okay, it's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please consider subscribing, giving us a like, and commenting down below. We had heaps of fun. And stay tuned for next week's video.
Come on guys, get off the couch, come outside and have fun.